Top 3 foods to prevent leg cramps in seniors. Strengthen your legs. Are painful leg cramps keeping you awake at night or making it harder for you to stay active during the day? If so, you're not alone. Many seniors struggle with these frustrating and painful muscle issues. But here's the good news. You don't have to just live with it. Today, I'm going to reveal the top 3 foods that can naturally help prevent leg cramps, strengthen your muscles, and improve your mobility. These are simple, everyday foods that can make a big difference in how strong, steady, and energetic you feel. So don't take your eyes off this video because you don't want to miss these life-changing nutrition tips. Before we dive in, I'd love to hear from you. Where are you watching from today? Drop a comment below and feel free to ask any questions you have. I always enjoy connecting with you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new health tip from Senior Wellness Foods. Now, let's get started. First, let's talk about eggs. Often called nature's perfect food, eggs are packed with essential nutrients that directly support muscle strength, nerve health, and bone function, all critical for maintaining strong, cramp-free legs as we age. First and foremost, eggs are an outstanding source of complete protein. A complete protein contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot produce on its own. These amino acids are the building blocks your muscles need for repair, recovery, and growth. As we get older, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass, a condition known as sarcopenia, which can lead to weakness, instability, and more frequent muscle cramps. Including high-quality protein like eggs in your diet helps combat this loss by promoting muscle regeneration. Just one large egg provides about 6 grams of high-quality protein, making it an easy and affordable way to nourish your muscles every day. But the benefits of eggs don't stop there. They are also a natural source of vitamin D, a critical nutrient that often goes overlooked, especially in seniors. Vitamin D plays a major role in calcium absorption, which is essential for strong bones and efficient muscle contractions. Without enough vitamin D, muscles can become weak, prone to cramping, and even painful. Sadly, vitamin D deficiency is common among older adults, mainly because they spend less time outdoors and their skin becomes less efficient at synthesizing vitamin D from sunlight. The good news is, eating eggs, particularly the yolks, can help boost your vitamin D intake naturally. While a single egg doesn't provide your entire daily requirement, it makes a meaningful contribution when combined with other sources like fortified dairy products or moderate sun exposure. Another huge advantage of eggs is their rich content of vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is crucial for the health of your nervous system. It helps produce and maintain the myelin sheath, the protective coating around your nerves, ensuring that nerve signals travel smoothly from your brain to your muscles. When B12 levels are low, nerves become impaired, communication between muscles and nerves breaks down, and painful muscle cramps can occur more frequently. Older adults are at a higher risk of B12 deficiency due to reduced stomach acid production, which makes it harder to absorb B12 from food. Medications commonly taken by seniors, such as acid reflux drugs and metformin for diabetes, can also interfere with B12 absorption. Eating eggs regularly provides a natural, easy-to-digest source of vitamin B12 that supports nerve function, reduces muscle spasms, and enhances overall muscle control. For seniors who are vegetarian but still consume dairy and eggs, known as lacto-vegetarians, eggs are one of the best ways to maintain healthy B12 levels without relying heavily on supplements. In summary, adding eggs to your diet is a smart, natural way to strengthen your muscles, protect your nerves, and prevent painful leg cramps. Aim for about 6 to 7 eggs per week. That's just 1 egg a day, which research shows is generally safe for healthy seniors and does not significantly impact cholesterol levels. If you have heart disease or high cholesterol, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor first. But for most people, replacing processed meats with eggs can be a heart-healthy, muscle-supporting choice. Remember, for the best results, enjoy eggs as part of a balanced diet. Pair them with other nutrient-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains to give your body the complete support it needs to stay strong, active, and cramp-free. Eggs are truly a powerhouse food for seniors looking to maintain strength, mobility, and independence well into their golden years. 2. Bananas. This humble fruit is much more than just a sweet snack. It's a nutritional gem packed with minerals that directly support muscle relaxation, nerve function, and fluid balance. One of the biggest reasons bananas are so effective is their impressive potassium content. Potassium is a vital electrolyte that plays a major role in regulating muscle contractions and nerve signals. When potassium levels in the body drop too low, a condition known as hypokalemia, muscles can become overly excitable, leading to painful spasms and frequent cramping. Potassium also helps maintain fluid balance within the cells, preventing dehydration-related muscle stiffness and weakness. A medium-sized banana provides about 420 milligrams of potassium, which is roughly 12% of the daily recommended intake for adults. For seniors, who are more vulnerable to potassium deficiency due to poor dietary intake, certain medications, or dehydration, bananas are an incredibly convenient and effective way to replenish potassium stores naturally. But potassium isn't the only reason bananas are a smart choice. They also contain magnesium and vitamin B6, two other nutrients that play essential roles in preventing muscle cramps and improving overall muscle health. Magnesium helps regulate muscle relaxation by blocking calcium buildup in muscle cells. When muscles are flooded with too much calcium without enough magnesium to balance it, they can contract excessively, causing cramps. In addition, magnesium supports the production of energy, ATP, in muscle cells, ensuring that your muscles have the fuel they need to contract and relax properly. Vitamin B6 adds even more muscle and nerve benefits. It's crucial for the production of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that communicate between your brain, nerves, and muscles. Low B6 levels can disrupt this communication, leading to nerve dysfunction and increased cramping. Bananas provide about 0.4 milligrams of vitamin B6 per fruit, contributing nearly 30% of the daily requirement for seniors, a significant boost for supporting nerve health and muscle function. Another important advantage of bananas is their convenience and ease of digestion. Unlike supplements or complicated diet changes, eating a banana is simple, quick, and enjoyable. Bananas are gentle on the stomach, making them a perfect option for seniors who may have sensitive digestion. They are also portable and require no preparation, ideal for busy days or when you need a fast, nutritious snack. How should seniors incorporate bananas into their diet to get the most benefit? For most older adults, eating 1 to 2 bananas per day is a safe and effective way to maintain healthy potassium and magnesium levels. One great strategy is to eat a banana about 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. This can help stabilize electrolyte levels overnight and relax the muscles, reducing the risk of nocturnal leg cramps, those painful spasms that often wake you up in the middle of the night. You can also add bananas to breakfast smoothies, slice them over oatmeal, or enjoy them as a midday energy boost. A few tips to maximize the benefits of bananas. Pair bananas with a handful of nuts or a scoop of yogurt to add protein and healthy fats, slowing the absorption of natural sugars and maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Stay hydrated. Bananas support hydration, but drinking enough water throughout the day is equally important for cramp prevention. Choose ripe but firm bananas. Overripe bananas tend to have higher sugar content. In summary, bananas are one of the simplest and most effective natural ways to prevent leg cramps, support strong muscle function, and maintain smooth nerve signaling. They deliver an outstanding combination of potassium, magnesium, vitamin B6, hydration, and quick energy, all essential elements for seniors who want to move comfortably, confidently, and independently. Making bananas a regular part of your daily routine is a small change that can lead to major benefits for your leg strength, balance, and overall quality of life. 3. Nuts and seeds. Often overlooked, these small but mighty foods are packed with minerals, healthy fats, and proteins that work together to strengthen muscles, balance electrolytes, and reduce cramping. One of the key reasons nuts and seeds are so effective is their high magnesium content. Magnesium is critical for muscle relaxation and nerve function. Sadly, magnesium deficiency is common among seniors, often due to poor dietary intake, certain medications, or reduced digestive efficiency. Fortunately, adding a small handful of nuts or seeds to your daily diet can make a big difference. For example, a 1-ounce serving of pumpkin seeds provides about 168 milligrams of magnesium, nearly 40% of the daily recommended intake. Almonds deliver about 77 milligrams per ounce. Cashews offer around 74 milligrams per ounce. By including magnesium-rich foods like these, seniors can naturally relax their muscles, support energy production, and reduce the frequency and severity of cramps. Potassium is another important mineral found in many nuts and seeds, especially pistachios and almonds. As we discussed with bananas, potassium helps maintain fluid balance, regulate nerve signals, and ensure proper muscle contractions. Nuts and seeds serve as an excellent complementary source of potassium, especially for those who want a more varied diet beyond fruits and vegetables. But it doesn't stop with minerals. Nuts and seeds also contain healthy fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids and monounsaturated fats, which help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including muscles and joints. Chronic low-grade inflammation can make muscles more sensitive and prone to cramping. Omega-3s, found in walnuts and flax seeds, help soothe inflammation, improve circulation, and support faster muscle recovery. Moreover, nuts and seeds are packed with plant-based proteins, essential for repairing muscle fibers and maintaining muscle mass as we age. Although they don't provide as much protein as meat or dairy products, they offer a valuable plant-based option that's easy to digest and versatile in meals. How can seniors incorporate nuts and seeds into their diet? A small handful, about 1 ounce, of mixed nuts per day is a simple, effective goal. Choose unsalted and raw or dry-roasted varieties to avoid excess sodium, which can contribute to dehydration and cramping. Sprinkle chia seeds, flax seeds, or pumpkin seeds onto oatmeal, yogurt, or salads for an extra boost. Blend a spoonful of nut butter into smoothies for added healthy fats and protein. Timing can also matter. Eating nuts and seeds as part of meals helps with nutrient absorption and steady energy levels. Having a few almonds or walnuts before bed may also help reduce nighttime leg cramps by keeping muscles relaxed and nourished overnight. Important reminders when eating nuts and seeds. They are calorie-dense, so portion control is key. Stick to about a small handful per day. Those with nut allergies should choose seeds like pumpkin or sunflower seeds instead. Digestive issues? Start with small amounts, as high fiber content can sometimes cause bloating. In summary, nuts and seeds are a powerful, natural way for seniors to strengthen their muscles, balance electrolytes, and reduce painful leg cramps. They offer an ideal combination of magnesium, potassium, healthy fats, and plant-based protein, all critical nutrients for maintaining strong, resilient muscles and smooth nerve function. By making a small daily habit of enjoying nuts and seeds, seniors can dramatically improve muscle health, enhance mobility, and support a more active, independent lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, please remember to hit the like button. It really helps us bring you more valuable content. Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts, your questions, or what diet and nutrition topics you'd love us to cover next. We truly love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest advice about eating smarter and living stronger. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.